Hey boys and girls, I'm here to show you a quick and easy trick to remember and place value. If you're one of the students that just has not memorized it and you're still struggling with it, which one's 100,000? Which one's million? Which one's 100? If you're one of those students that's struggling with this is an easy way to remember it. What I'm going to do is just remind you that we're going to start at the decimal point. And we're going to work our way backwards, or we're going to get larger from the decimal point using place value. So to the left of the decimal, the first column is our ones column. So what I can do to remember this is up here is I'm just going to write the number 1. That number 1 stands for the ones column. Then every column after that to the left, I am just going to add a 1 and then a 0. I'm sorry, not add a 1. I'm going to rewrite the 1 and then add a 0 to it each time. What do I mean by this? Okay, so the next column is the tens column, but all I have to do to remember it is to make a 1 and add a 0 to it. That's the tens column. Then the next column is going to be a 1 with 2 zeros, which is the 100 column, because that's the number 100. Then we're going to go a 1 with 3 zeros, which is the 1000 column. Next, we're going to put the 1 with 4 zeros. That is the 10,000 column. Then we're going to add another 0. We're going to have a 1 with 5 zeros. That is the 100,000 column. Finally, we're going to put the 1 with 6 zeros. This is the million column. So each direction going this way is we start with the ones column and we add a 0 every time. That will help you with place value. So again, we start at the decimal point right here. No, right there. And then the first column we put a 1. That is the ones column. The next one, we put the 10. It is the tens column. We add a 0. This is the hundreds column. The next one is the thousands. Whoops. Let me fix that. Thousands column. Then we have the 10,000s column. Then we have the 100,000s column. And finally, we have the millions. Now, obviously, it goes on, but for 4th grade, we're going to stop at the millions column. And when I say column, what do I mean? Well, you can put a column in here, and then you can line up your numbers exactly where they're supposed to be. So if you're using expanded form, and it has 4 times 100,000, you would know it would when